case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a precedent-setting event in 1994, the Vermont Supreme Court deliberated on the divorce of the Clapps, weighing income disparities, contributions to the home, and standard of living in their decision. The ruling from this case, Clapp v. Clapp, would direct the course of a myriad of future divorce proceedings. Married in 1967, the Clapps had 2 children and divergent career paths. Michael practiced law while Elizabeth pursued a guidance counselor position. After 2 decades of matrimony, the couple separated in 1987, and Elizabeth filed for divorce 2 years later. The trial ran its course, resulting in a crucial decision in 1993. In this initial judgment, the court ruled that the assets should be divided 60/40 favoring Elizabeth, a reflection of her income deficit and significant contributions as a homemaker. The maintenance amount was set at $2,000 per month, a temporary measure pending further calculations based on both parties' income. However, the court ruling did not sit well with Michael. He disputed that the maintenance award should exceed only what was necessary for the recipient to cover reasonable needs, embarking on a journey of appeal. The lower court tossed his argument aside, pointing out that the maintenance could still be awarded even if the recipient was employed, given the significant inequality in the couple's financial positions. Part of Michael's challenge was tossed, specifically the offending paragraph that directed him to secure the maintenance payments by pledging his interest in his law firm or purchasing life insurance. After review, the court vacated this requirement, ruling it inconsistent with the underlying purpose, to provide income protection rather than maintenance beyond death. As for his remaining 4 contentions, the court affirmed the previous judgment, underscoring the lower court's discretion in determining maintenance. The court ruled that property orders, including the sale of Michael's residence given his arrears, were valid and adhered to the principle of equitable distribution, even for property acquired post-separation. Thus, the sweeping decisions of the Clapp v. Clapp case cleared a path for future rulings, establishing some critical principles of maintenance in divorce proceedings.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.